So behind me you'll see a video running. I recorded this live when I was doing a roof survey, and it was up in St Albans. I was doing a roof survey for a house purchase, and it's live. I've got a microphone here, I've got a camera up here, and I talk about what you actually get when you're doing a roof survey. So let's get right into it. So I'm going to have a look inside this loft. I've already been up here to have a look. I thought it'd be a good opportunity to be able to show everybody the kind of thing that we're up against. Got to get up into here and have a look. Now, this is the really interesting thing, that it looks good. So there goes my light. Let's get up and see what we can do. Right, welcome to my world of walking around in lofts when I'm doing roof inspections. This roof here, when we look at these timbers, very old timbers, we look at the sarking felt, the fact that we've got a tar-based sarking felt which is non-breathable underneath this. I know, I've looked outside, there's artificial slates on it, so there should be venting, and I can't see any venting. But in here, all of this, there's this kind of fungus here. This is not bad. It's not the end of the world. A lot of this is historic watermarks in here. It's outside. It's quite warm. It's very dry outside. And to be honest with you, in here looks okay. It may or may not look okay to you, but this is typical of an old roof. These timbers here, which have been put in, look like they're all part of the original scenario. Obviously, we're starting to age everything. It's really interesting that the way the carpenters put this in is not to the quality you would expect. It's possible, very possible, that this did come at a slightly later stage, especially when we start looking over here. But it's very difficult to say, because down here this all looks original, but that's really bad workmanship for something of this age. It's not unusual to see this kind of thing done, where this has been chopped out just so that they're level on the top, but to chop it out square like that, it's bad workmanship. But because it seems to be everywhere, the fact that we've got bad workmanship there, and we've got bad workmanship there, and we've got bad workmanship there, which I should imagine that was probably packed at some stage, I would suggest that this is all original timber work in here, apart from the 3 items that we've got over there, which obviously have been put in to strengthen it, probably when the roof was replaced. So I can see no ventilation in here whatsoever. Thermally, down below here, we've got thermal insulation, which means that this whole roof area is what we would call a cold space, and we should have ventilation down here which comes in at low level, comes up and goes out at high level. And as we can see up here, we've got no ventilation whatsoever. I mean, it just amazes me how this is probably 150 to 200 years old. Look how precarious the woodwork has been done up there. But yet, it served its time. It's a lightweight construction. It had original slates on it, which were heavier than the slates that we've got up there now. But nevertheless, it's lasted all that time, and it's done really, really well. So, in the assessment in here is that it's an old roof. It's already got a lightweight covering on it, and it's going to continue to give a good performance, providing thermally it's up, providing ventilation is upgraded. And I'll also be advising that thermally they upgrade the thermal element. And of course over here the pipework, because someone's put a boiler in there, this pipework, because this is a cold area up here, this all needs to be lagged, otherwise they're going to get possibly some frozen pipes up here. And there you go. That's the kind of information you can get when I do a roof survey. Lots of information there. Our details are down below. If you need our services, please drop me an email or give me a phone call. Speak soon.